Hello, my name is Prem Chaudhary and my UNWiki ID is 16401943, and I am going to briefly describe the about CN assignment. Firstly, let's go on the background process. Background here you can see that home city, which consists the Northampton, London, and below the home city, below the city there is consists the Northampton building. It consists of three building, that main building, upper building, and lower building. And main building looks upper building. They are all floor plan designation. They have done by author own self according to the given criteria. And then this is the London building. Now let's go back. Now topology. Let's you can see the topology design of this is the external user, outsider user, and this is the ISP1, and this is the ISP2. And let's see, move on. London building. London building consists that three zone. We have configured that in the firewall, DMZ zone, in the outside zone, and inside zone. At the DMZ zone, it consists of web server, its IP addresses, and email server, and this is the DNS server. And the author configure that each IP address are translated into the static IP addresses, that from the outside zone, that user are access the web server, email server by using public IP addresses. Let's see, moves on the topology design. At the the design are configured in the three hierarchical Cisco model. At the upper layer, this core layer, distribution layer, and below that it is the access layer. And in each department are separated by using the VLAN. That it consists of four VLAN, that is customer, sales, IT network, and receptions and manager. Let's now we have to access that. Firstly, email server. Email server. So let's move fast. That email server. Let's you see that the PC can easily access the email server. Move now. Move server, also DNS server. Let's can access that DNS server. You can see that this PC can easily access the DNS server. It also the XSS. Also the author configure the SSS configuration. Now moves SSS. Upon that, look, you can see you can access the SSL configuration. Now let's move on further. Also the author configure for the VIP phone. You can see that the VIP phone, and also see, let's see here VIP phone. Now we have to configure our email this department, from this department, that email, compose email, press testing London, testing London. You can see that the mail is successful. Let's see, receive. You can see that test success. Now finally we have to VIP phone 2001, and this is for this user 2005. Now we have to call 2001. No 2001. You see this ringing out. Let's see, ring out. Finally we have success. Now let's move. Also we have configure and firewall. So you can see that I have configured such like in firewall configuration. You can see access zone base, web server, access base, and also access list permit object network. Now let's move this. You can see it also consists of three building. All building are configured with three hierarchical design model. Now we have to firstly pinging that the web server using the public IP address. Look, you can see that it's easily ping 92 and also 93. They are all statically configured that outside zone user can access the web server by using the. Now you can access the web server. You can see it is that the outside zone can easily access the web server also. Let's also we can net email server. My message is successful. Let's go this building. You can see, look, testing Northampton. Also let's IP phone 201 and this user 2005. Then let's call 2001. Now ringing out, you can see here. Now SSL, you can see SSL also configured. You can see access also configured, verified. And now let's move. The router had configured the redistribution. You can see that redistribution also. See, you can see this IP route also. Now finally configuration. Now finally go back VPN connection. Now let's you see VPN is connected, and you can